build an HTML and CSS calendar without writing any code yourself. Okay, so as you can see, this calendar, it shows the days left, and it shows the days left in the year as well, and then it also shows the time, current time, as I am making the video. Okay, and it is all in this calendar. Beside that one, you also have the option to switch to the next month, and then you can switch back to the next month as well. And I built it for totally free without writing a single code myself, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply go to Google AI Studio, just like this one. Just go to Google and then type in Google AI Studio, and then create an account for totally free. Come and select the chat. Okay, so when you come here, you can simply come in and chat with the Google AI Studio, okay, by simply coming to put in exactly what you want here. So over here, come and then ask it to create a web app using HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript, and then describe the features of the calendar that you want in plain English. Okay, just say the features that you want. If you want the color to be this kind, if you want the day to have this and everything, and then make sure that the output is in HTML, CSS, and then the JavaScript. After that, simply come and click on the run. Okay, and then all that you have to do is simply sit back, relax, and it is going to create the full code for you without you writing anything. So as you can see, we have the index HTML code, and when you scroll down, you have the option to come and then click on the copy to copy the code. We also have the star.css code as well. And when you scroll down, you have the option to come and then click on the copy to copy the code. We also have the script.js, and then when you scroll down, you have the option to come and then copy the code. Now that you have the code created, what you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then type in Replit. Okay, it's a free platform, and then come and then select the Replit. Okay, it is totally free to create an account on Replit, and then all that you have to do is simply come here to the sign up, and then come and click on sign up. So over here, you can create an account using any of these. Okay, all that you have to do is simply click on it, and then you can also go with your email address directly. So after creating an account, you'll be logging directly to your account just like this one, and then from here simply come here to where it says create app and come and select it. Over here you have the option to go with the Replit agent, but come and then select choose a template, okay, by clicking on it, and then from the template come and search for HTML and come and select the auto refresh, okay, just like this one. So after selecting it, simply come and then name your app. Okay, so I'm going to name it Awesome Calendar, just like this one. And then after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on create app. So when you click on it, automatically you'll see that you'll be in your app just like this one. Okay, and then over here automatically you will have the index HTML generated for you with the codes in it. We have to replace the code with our own code. Okay, so we have the index HTML, we have to add the other ones by clicking on the plus icon, and then over here come and search for CSS. Okay, and then come and select the star.css. Okay, the codes will be given just like this one from the star.css. We are going to replace it with our own code. Okay, so let's add the last one, that is the JS. Okay, so come and search for JS and come and select the script.js, and then now we have all the three here. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply come and then select the index.html. Okay, and then let's go and then come and copy our code. So from the index HTML, okay, simply come down here where we have the copy, come and then click on the copy code. And then after copying the code, simply come here. So as you can see, the code has been copied. Simply come here, then come and then select the index.html, and let's replace the code with our own code by highlighting it and then pasting in our own code. Okay, and after that, over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then select the star.css. Okay, and then let's go and then copy the code. So from here we have the star.css. All that you have to do is simply scroll down and come here to where we have the copy. Come and click on the copy. Now let's go here to this. As you can see, It has been copied. Now let's go here to where we have the style.css and then come and then highlight it by clicking on Ctrl A and then paste it by clicking on Ctrl V. Okay, as you can see, we have replaced it with our own code. Now come and select the script.js and let's come here. As you can see, we have the script.js here. Let's scroll down to where we have the copy. Come and then click on the copy. And then as you can see from here, we have copied it. Okay, now let's go and then paste it. So from here, come and select the script.js, then come and paste in the code. That is it. We have all the codes here. What you have to do is simply come and then click on the run. Okay, and in seconds, your calendar is built. Isn't it amazing? So over here, all that you have to do is come and click on open in a web tab, and then you have your full calendar here. So it shows the days left in the month and then also the days left in the year. Okay, and then when you look at the right hand side, you see that it shows the current time. Okay, the time. It's also here. So this is the current time as I'm recording this video. And then you also have the months. You can switch it by clicking on the forward arrow. You can also switch it back as well. Okay, and it's all totally free. Okay, and you can simply come and then deploy it by simply coming to click on the deploy, and you can get your codes. Okay, and over here you have the option to come and then chat with the AI to modify it if you want to change the color or anything. Okay, so when you come here to the home and then click on it, you see that you have your app created here and it is public. You can click on the three dots and then you can create a cover, you can edit it, you can remix, and you can delete it as well. So like the video and then see you in my next video.